Hey everybody, this is Dave
And Kelly.
with Flippin' Awesome Houses. Hey, it's been a long time since we made a video, but today we wanted to share something special with you. Not really real estate related, but it's going to be pretty fun. About seven or so years ago, we went on a family trip to the Grand Canyon, Zion Canyon, and Lake Powell. And Kelly and I and our kids, we just fell in love with traveling. So we thought, hey, let's do this some more, and how can we do that? And we wanted to combine our love of traveling with our experience in rental real estate. So introducing, ta-da, our 2018 28-foot Jayco Envoy Class C motorhome. I'm going to explain a little bit more at the end of the video what I mean by combining our love of traveling with our experience in Airbnbs and rental real estate. So this is a 28-foot Class C motorhome. It's built on a Ford E450 gasoline engine. Don't ask me what kind of gas mileage it gets. When you press that little button that tells you your fuel economy, it says you don't want to know. I'm going to be tracking that as we take a couple trips with it. It's got an onboard generator, propane tank, freshwater tank, black water tank, gray water tank, anything you need to camp on grid or off grid, as they say, or even some boondocking if you want to call it that. But hey, enough about the specs. Let's give you a tour. All right, so the first thing you'll notice, one more thing on the exterior, we've got a 13-foot electric awning, built-in LED lighting, so you can enjoy it day or night. As you open the door, we have power steps that automatically extend to make your way up into the RV. As you make your way in, on your right is the cab or the cockpit. Very easy to get into. People have asked me how easy is this thing to drive. It's actually very easy, kind of like a big truck, really. I've found that the steering is a little bit loose, but very responsive. It takes a little bit more focus, a little more concentration to drive something like this. You got to be watching your side mirrors. You got to be watching for overhead branches, constantly correcting a little bit your steering. But other than that, it's really easy to drive, easy to get out of the cab. And as we make our way back through the RV, on the right-hand side, we have a jackknife sofa. It's called the jackknife sofa because it converts very easily to a bed like that.
That was easy.
Yeah, super easy. Now, you're not going to fit big people on this one. This is for little kids. But super easy to convert that back to the sofa when you want to sit. One of the things that this RV is equipped with is it's got seat belts for 8 passengers. 2 up in the cab, 2 on the sofa, 4 in the dinette area. You can easily sit 4 people in the dinette. And the dinette area actually converts to a bed as well. Who wants to sleep on the dining room table tonight? Huh?
I will.
On the left-hand side, we have a full kitchen. Double sink, 3-burner gas stove, with a cover for extra counter space when you want it. It's actually a propane stove, propane oven. Above that, a vent hood, and a microwave that also doubles as a small convection oven. Plenty of storage overhead for your dishes, pots and pans, coffee cups, spices, storage down below the sink, drawers for all your kitchen utensils. We've got our brand new Kerrigan here as well.
Yes, my favorite color there. Isn't it cute?
And what kitchen would be complete without a refrigerator and a freezer? As you make your way back behind that, we have a small pantry area, plenty of space for some food. On the other side, a nice big wardrobe, really deep closet, really deep drawers to store all your clothes in. Privacy curtain.
Ooh, there you go.
And hi, give you a little bit of privacy when you're back in the master suite. So, this master suite is actually a slide out. So this bed sleeping area slides out and gives you more space. It's a queen size walk around bed, really more like a shuffle around bed. It's called a walk around bed because you can get all the way around it. A lot of RVs this size have a stationary bed stuck in the corner. And if you want to get to the left side of the bed, you got to climb over the person you're sleeping with. So it's a queen size bed. It's considered a short queen, but on our last trip, Kelly and I, the mattress is actually pretty comfortable. We found this bed to be really comfortable for sleeping and several other activities.
There's also a TV in the corner.
We also have, you can't see it from your angle, but we have an onboard stereo system with Bluetooth connectivity that has indoor speakers and outdoor speakers if you want to listen to music outside. And what motorhome would be complete without a full-size bathroom?
Ooh.
You got a stand-up shower. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little tight, but I tell you what, on those chilly nights on our last trip, that hot shower felt really great. Plenty of actually countertop space in the sink for an RV this size. Medicine cabinet, and of course your crazy looking RV toilets. They all look like that.
Ta-da.
All right, as we make our way back forward, you'll notice we have overhead lighting, lots of LED built-in lights for a nice bright atmosphere. Also, you probably noticed when we were walking through a lot of big windows for a lot of natural lighting. Above the cockpit, we have this cab over bunk. This cushion flips down like this. And this space is actually quite big. It's almost a queen size area up here. A swivel out TV. So if you're sitting in the sofa and the dinette, you can swivel the TV out, hook up your gaming systems, watch TV. It's got a built-in antenna on the roof, so you can pick up local stations wherever you're at. And one of the very cool things about this RV that very few did have that we researched is this panoramic window with an electric shade. So you can close that in the summertime when the sun is beaming in, or you can do what we did a couple weeks ago on our first trip. We opened it up at night. It was a cloudless night. Kelly and I spent about 45 minutes just laying up here watching the stars. One of the really unique things, the fun thing about, I guess, about a Class C motorhome versus a trailer is you got the cockpit here. It's really easy to get from the cab to the living area. Like if you're on a long trip and you're driving and you're getting tired, just press the autopilot button and come on back and relax. I'm kidding. There's no autopilot. It's not a Tesla. But your passengers can be back here. They can be moving back and forth all they want.
They be getting stuff out of the fridge, out of the pantry, bringing their snacks up.
Something I failed to mention is this whole side of the RV is a slide out. Right now we have it in the slide out position, and you can see there's actually quite a bit of room in here. It's almost bigger than some of the galley kitchens in some of the houses Kelly and I have flipped and seen before. But when you're traveling down the road, this slides in, and there's still plenty of room to be sitting and congregating and having a good time. We hope you enjoyed the tour of our 2018 Class C Jayco motorhome. I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we're going to combine our love of traveling with our experience in short-term rentals and Airbnbs. So this is what we're going to do. When we're not using this, you can rent it for your next weekend trip, your road trip, your next adventure. It sleeps up to 6 comfortably, 8 if you have a couple kids on the jackknife sofa. Pretty soon you'll be able to find this on websites like Outdoorsy, RV Easy, RV Share. But in the meantime, if you're interested in taking this out for your next adventure, your next camping trip, reach out to us and we'll show you how. Thank you very much for watching the video. God bless. Bye-bye.
Bye.